How to find and read your myGPS plan. Your myGPS plan is your roadmap to registration success. Your myGPS plan is a tool created by an EFSC advisor to assist you with making progress towards completing your degree. Once you log in to myEFSC, select the myGPS icon. You will then reach the myGPS homepage and will automatically be able to view your worksheet. Your worksheet provides you with information about your current program of study, including your major, assigned EFSC advisor, catalog year, course requirements, and progress towards program completion. It's always a good idea to review courses you've completed, grades, and other details for accuracy. To access your plan, select Plans from the menu at the top of the page, then select the correct plan from your plans list. This will open a semester-by-semester list of recommended courses selected for you. Review these in detail, as there may be different options to choose from. Some class recommendations may have more than one option. This is noted by using the word "or." Some courses may have additional notes for you to review. Click on the icon to reveal more details. Keep in mind, these plans do not replace academic advising. You should work with your assigned EFSC advisor or high school counselor to ensure your plan meets your academic goals and scheduling needs.